Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee, welcome back. And right now I have the third video for you of the Michaels mystery boxes. I have 2 more boxes to go. I opened both of them so that I could save some time. Oh my gosh, you're not gonna believe what is in this first box here. So right on the top are 2 of these. This box was really heavy. Whoa. And inside of it, do you guys remember we kept seeing those little bags and pieces of things for a mold press? Well, guess what? We got 2 of the mold presses. I know it's kind of hard to see just because, let me see if I can move this up a little bit. But it's the mold press. There's 2 of them, and it says it was normally $79.99. They tried to clearance it for $59.99. Holy moly. And they put it inside of a $5 box, and there's 2 of them, you guys. So there's one. Wait, let me put this over here. And here's the other one. That is so crazy. So there's 2. Oh my gosh, that's nuts. Okay, 2 of those. And looks like we got some Halloween stuff in here. They weren't able to fit a lot of stuff into this box because of those 2 big boxes. So letter Q, my cat's upstairs yelling at me. Y, letter Y, not why is she yelling, letter Y. Another U, an H, and another H, I guess. Yeah, I think that's an H. I feel like we've gotten a lot of Q's. Q, an I. We've got some Halloween stuff. So we got these cute little pumpkins. We got 2 of those little pumpkins. So there's those. I have a cat giving me a dirty look from the top of the stairs because she wants me to go upstairs with her. We got another one of those planners, 6-ring planners, and the sticker says normally $31.99. So we got in this pretty like metallic green. And we got literally just 3 more things in this box, and then we'll go to the next box. What is this? A 48-piece bulletin board kit. How cute, and it's in like Halloween. So like, you know how your teacher would decorate the bulletin board when you were a kid? So it's like a little Halloween one. That is so cute, I love that. And we've got some more Cricut vinyl, permanent vinyl. And let's see, more jewelry components, but there's only 1 in this box. You guys, I've collected so many so far. So far I have this big bag of jewelry components. This is a big 1 gallon, I think. And we've got this one like 3/4, whoa, I dropped some. We've got that one 3/4 of the way filled up. So there was a lot of jewelry components. Okay, I'm seeing some Halloween in this bag, but not a lot so far. Let's see. We've got this macrame carry-all. We got one of those before, so it looks like it's like a little macrame thing you can make. We've got sequins pens. We got another one of those little embroidery kits. We got some cool little hockey stickers. We've got some, yeah, it's yellow or orange. It looks like Halloween stickers, like little foam, cute little Halloween stickers. We've got some more flowers, faux flowers. We've got some more of that silhouette fabric, heat transfer fabric stuff in white. We got more of those little Halloween foam stickers and another one of those cute little pumpkins. Oh, we got this cute little Halloween kit. Dia de los Muertos Craft Basics tray. That's cute. So it's got like pony beads, like little felt stickers, jemmies, pom-poms. That's that's really cute. So it looks like you decorate those. They're like silver metallic. You decorate them with all the little craft supplies that came in it. We've got more Cricut. This one's iron-on mesh, but it's like multicolored. So it's like gold, silver, and black. Looks like you can make like those little team shirts with it. We've got Cricut patterned iron-on. We've got, let's see, some more flowers. And a color in tombstone craft kit. Looks like it's got that air dry clay. Let me pull both of these out because there's two of those. So we got two of these, the Sugar School craft box, and it's got all kinds of like little fun things to use to decorate your little skulls. And let's see. I'm gonna pull this box up by me a little bit because it's kind of far away and it's hard to reach the stuff that's in it. Okay, let's see what's in here. We got a quilling craft kit, like a paper quilling. You can make that cute little pumpkin. Adhesive lenticular eyes, so the ones that move. A diorama kit. I feel like we got one of these already. That's cute. We got another one of the Craft Basics trays. Let's see what else. Got another one of these little duct tapes. That's cute. Something that's seen better days. Something by Crayola with some kind of like clay or something, or dough. Oh, these are cute. Look at these little Halloween signs. Trick or treat, wipe your feet. Home sweet haunted home. My house is scarier than yours. Booze, hisses, and Halloween kisses. Oh, more of those little plastic sheets. So that's cool to go with that mold press. Let's see. There's tons of like little pieces in here. Okay, more of the jewelry pieces. Got another one of these like doodler start kits, which I don't know what that is. We've got a letter Q, which is really pretty. Like, looks like this came from fall. Resin, for resin crafting. These are like preserved flowers. Got some more jewelry pieces. Gonna stick them in that bag I showed you guys earlier. Got more here. Oh, we got some pretty little satin roses, little purple lavender colored ones. DIY stitch kit. So you can make the, what is the Union Jack flag? Is that right? Am I saying that right? So that's cute. More jewelry pieces, more jewelry pieces. Easy refill cartridge replacement. Magic chalk liner. I wonder what you use this for. Is this for like sewing where you like chalk things out maybe? Sugar School kit. Modeling stick set with fondant. So I guess that's for like baking. You guys, I don't know if I said this in this video. I know I said it in my last one, but on the first video, for some reason, the camera filmed in a weird angle. So yeah, that's a bummer. But I flipped it around, and so it looks like in these last two videos, it's doing okay. Okay. Oh, too bad this is broken. So this is like a really cute plaster magnet kit for Halloween that you could paint. We've got another letter Q and kind of like a farmhouse type style. We've got just a plain little mask. Looks like we got a bunch more of the jewelry components. Oh, we got some more stuff for the mold press. More jewelry. I think I said this in another video, but these are tarnished. I have a video on my channel, excuse me, where I show you the stuff that I did like a live test on camera where I picked up this like tarnish remover from Joann's, and you guys can see that this stuff just like takes tarnish off in 10 seconds. You should search for that video on my channel. It is so cool. So I'm gonna try those in that and see if that works for those, because it works on all the other jewelry, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, these are more of those monogram seals, and my name is Wendy, so that's perfect. I can just like seal envelopes with those. Oh, we got some more of those fluorescent gemmies. The jewelry component bag is filling up, you guys. We got some project tape, pretty color. Ooh, red, little red bells. Those are cute. Those would have been cute at Christmas. More jewelry components here. I don't know what this is. Enamel stain, highly flammable. No idea what this stuff is. Reusable pattern marking stitcher. It's never lose your place. There's that. And let's see what else. Okay, we've got a watercolor dual tip marker in the color terracotta. And we've got some more jewelry components. Those are those tassels, like, remember those tassels? They were $2. We were all like buying them. We've got some stainless steel, what are they called? Jump rings, more jewelry components. Glitter glue pens, assorted glitter glue, and we've got this cute little wood monkey which has like glitter on it. We've got Mod Podge fabric, water-based sealer, glue, and finish. But it looks like the lid came off, so that's why they probably, oh, they probably tried to sell it for $2. It was normally $2.99. No one bought it, so they put it in the, what's it called, bag. I'll have to see if it's something I can use. I'll have to look it up and see. And what else? Oh, we got some more of that pretty ribbon. And what else? More jewelry components. And I got some that fell. I'm gonna try to reach them. Yes, I got them. Ooh, those are pretty. The multicolor and the silver. And I think I told you that those are jump rings. And you guys, we did it. Oh my gosh. So that was everything that I got. I would love to know what you guys think. Somebody asked me last year what we do with this stuff. I can't even remember if I told you in this video. I think I told you in the last one, but if you are wondering and I didn't tell you in this video, what we did last year was we kept some stuff. We gave some away, like any school supplies or that could be used for school supplies. We have an elementary school around the corner that we gave them some stuff. We sold some stuff at our garage sale. We put a couple items up on eBay. 2 people contacted me and asked me if they could buy some stuff. And so I was like, sure, yeah, no problem. So one girl bought some of the craft bags from me, and she bought all the yarn, and I can't remember what the other person bought, but yeah, so yeah, that's what we do with it. Mostly we just have fun. I mean, these boxes are $5 a piece, and I feel like we definitely get our money out of them, and it's just a fun experience to open them. I love surprise boxes, you guys know that, and surprise bags and stuff. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me a comment below. I'd love to know what you guys think, how you guys are doing, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.